नमस्कार. आयच्या पॅटर्न सिरिजान आमी आयल्या टोंका हांगासर आनी आमच्या वांगडा आसा एक हाऊसवायफ जी पणजेंतल्या खुबश्या जाग्यांचेर सुमार 100 वयर सुण्यांक खावपाक घालता. प्लस रस्त्यार जखमी जाल्ली जनावरांक सुद्दां सुण्यांक माजरांक ती रेस्क्यू करून हाडटा. तर मेळ्या आयच्या पॅटर्न ओल्गा पिंटो हांकां.
I am feeding from 2004 and I am animal lover from my childhood. So, my father has cows and all in our house, so that I used to, their calf and all. I used to love them, and we had dog also, hen also. So like that, we were from the beginning. Even we used to go to school. My tiffin food I used to give to dog and remain hungry.
ओल्गा पयलींची नर्स. ताका लागून रेस्क्यू केल्ल्या सुण्या माजरांक वखद पाणी करपाक अणभवाचो लाव जाता.
Professionally, I am a staff nurse. Yeah, I was in Hinduja sister in charge. So I know all medicine and all. So I take the medicine and treat them antibiotic and all, and they become okay for skin also. And if they have, sometimes I use homeopathic medicine also.
Along with your household chores, how do you manage to cook for so many dogs every day?
Oh, my husband is a great help. I don't cook food for me. He is cooking for us food, and I am cooking for the dogs.
Do you all manage it all by yourself, or you all get any help from someone?
Sometimes some people, I don't ask them. Sometimes some people, they help donate something very small, which is not enough. But whatever my saving money, we both are not getting any pension or something. Then whatever we have interest, we are living on interest.
All the people cooperate with you feeding, or you all have?
No. They don't, especially my society, they don't cooperate. They tell not to feed the dogs, not to feed the cats, and they have written on my wall, no feeding stray and pet dogs. But my husband went and he removed the no, and feeding ing he removed, so it's remained now feed the dogs, feed stray and pet dogs.
लोकांनी उश्टें जेवण डस्टबिनान वडोवचे परस सुण्यांक दिवचे. हॉटेलांकडेनूय उलयल्ले, मात ते म्हणटात तांकां तशें करपाक मेळना.
They have near their house dogs and all. They should whatever is left over there, instead of throwing in the dustbin, give to them. I spoke to so many hotels people also. They say no, it is not allowed.
What kind of support or help you are expecting from the general public?
I ask them, my sincere request to them, please love them and feed them. Don't treat them like enemy. And see one thing, dog will never bite anybody until unless they interfere.
तरी आशिल्ली ओल्गा पिंटो ती म्हणटा जसे मनशांक आमी रिस्पेक्ट दितात तसोच रिस्पेक्ट जनावरां खातीरूय दिवपाक जाय. तांचे तुमी खूब मोग करात, तेचे परस चड मोग तुमकां इन रिटर्न मेळटलो.
प्रुडंटा खातीर तुळशीदास च्यारी आनी साहिल मांद्रेकरा बरोबर अपेक्षा पेडणेकर.